Today we are covering Salesforce Certified Business Analyst. To find the complete list of questions and answers, please go to the playlist link provided in the description. Question is, as a business analyst BA starts engaging stakeholders for a user story writing workshop, an executive sponsor questions why the Commerce Cloud project is creating user stories rather than standard requirements. What is one benefit of creating user stories that the BA can share with the executive sponsor? Option A. It helps testers determine the most efficient way to validate solutions. Option B. It defines technical specifications early in the process. Option C. It saves time when prioritizing and implementing functionality. Correct answer is option C. Next question is, the project team at Universal Containers has started to review the existing Salesforce manufacturing solution that has low adoption and a variety of customizations, including custom objects, custom fields, renamed standard objects, and renamed standard fields. What should the business analyst recommend to the project team to increase understanding when documenting requirements processes and potential solutions? Option A. Use industry terminology and language. Option B. Use customer terminology and language. Option C. Use Salesforce terminology and language. Correct answer is option B. Next question is, the Salesforce department team is strictly following Scrum to govern its releases. An executive trying to plan a vacation wants to know when work on the feature will begin so they can be available for additional implementation questions. After consulting with the product owner, the business analyst BA learns the team has decided to adopt Kanban instead for all the future releases. What should the BA tell the executive? Option A. Work will begin after executive approval is given. Option B. Work will begin when capacity becomes available. Option C. Work will begin in the next sprint. Correct answer is option B. Next question is, a business analyst at a Universal Containers has begun user acceptance testing for a new experience cloud implementation with the project team. A major gap for one of the personas was identified in the documented scenarios. What went wrong? Option A. Failure to include all stakeholders in the requirements gathering process. Option B. Failure to perform through unit testing during the development process. Option C. Failure to validate the application against the functional requirements. Correct answer is option A. Next question is, Northern Trail Outfitters has a large Salesforce org with sales, marketing, and billing teams pushing for the development of a large number of items in the backlog. Which management process should the business analyst suggest to help the team align on their competing priorities? Option A. Vision, values, methods, obstacles, and measures V2MOM. Option B. Business process modeling, notation BPMN. Option C. Integrated definition for process description capture method IDEF3. Correct answer is option A. Next question is, an executive at CloudKicks has tasked the internal Salesforce staff with the optimization of a very manual process in its Salesforce org. What should the business analyst do? First, before a future state is proposed to key stakeholders. Option A. Discuss project trade-offs with the executive sponsor. Option B. Manage project integrations with the technical team. Option C. Hold a kick-off meeting to set expectations with the project team. Correct answer is option C. Next question is CloudKicks CK has expressed concerns about the distribution process for a new line of shoes because the company consistently misses its targeted delivery dates. CK asked the business analyst BA to uncover the issue and propose a business solution. What should the BA do next? Option A. Shadow an operations team member at the CK distribution facility. Option B. Review future state distribution processes for CK. Option C. Explore how retailers similar to CK handle distribution. Correct answer is option A.